Welcome back to another episode of Sam Family Outdoor Life 5. Quick stop to buy a fishing pole. We forgot to bring ours. Wow, that's the biggest lure ever. It's crazy. Alright, it's a beautiful day. We ended up renting a double kayak for a full day. It's $110. With tax and everything, it came out to be about $125. Nice day to kayak. How you feeling back there, babe? This little place. Let me see your fishing pole. Let's try our luck. What are you trying to catch with that? A trout. Say hi.
Hola.
We'll go further down.
Got one.
Where?
Got one.
It's a baby one.
Look at this little brown trout. This is a native brown trout. Not a rainbow trout. These are not farm. These are wild trout.
Look at small.
Yeah, they're pretty small.
Bye.
Whoa. Okay, we gotta let them go. Oh no.
Where is it?
Let you go. Oh no.
You're lost in there.
So slippery. There he is. You see him?
I think so. It's kind of hard because it's so bright.
You're gonna let him go. Get him away.
Wow, it's so nice out here. Caught another one?
Whoa, whoa.
A little bigger.
Second one. Let's get
It's getting bigger.
another brown trout. Brown. I think it might be a brook, but they're not farm raised. Or from a hatchery. Oh man, he swallowed that thing. He got all three hook in him.
Ouch.
Secret beach.
Secret beach right here.
Nobody's here too.
I know.
And it made a little shaded.
Oh, that's cool. So we're gonna stop here real quick.
We can have lunch right here, right?
Yeah, let's have lunch here.
Take a break, chill, swim.
Oh, right there.
Beer's still cold.
Whoa, we should pick that up.
We will, of course. Gotta leave town, how beautiful.
Yeah, we made it to this little secret beach. It's just us.
You can have shelter, you want to spend a night. Show them the shelter.
Right here. Yes, all to ourselves. Right here.
I'm only charging $30 a night here.
30
But
bucks
you gotta
with
get
this
your
view.
own kayak.
Boy, that sand is hot.
It's a one bedroom.
One bed.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Bathroom. Bath. Big old bath. You get your own swimming pool. No
view of the mountain and everything.
Daughter having lunch. Alright, we pulled over again at another shady, cool area. It's like 90 degrees out here, really hot. And if you look down there, that beach is packed. So we decided to stay under this tree right here. Say hi, babe. It's too hot out there.
It's so hot. Oh, on this side, the water is so clear. Look. Whoa. Caught another one?
Yeah, look at this one.
Oh, that one's bigger.
It's a different one, too. Look at this one. It's getting bigger.
It's getting bigger. Whew. Let's follow it.
There you go, safe release. Nice little trout.
Yeah. Bye. There you go.
Got me scared for a minute there.
Wow, look at this, y'all. Look how calm this is.
That was a nice one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Natural reserve.
So peaceful. A turn. Oh, maybe you should try over here, babe.
Caught like 4 or 5 trouts.
That's pretty cool. I imagine you would have caught like keepers.
But apparently this river go miles and miles in.
You caught one?
Big one.
Oh!
Look at this one.
Oh, get it!
Oh, it's a small pole. Look at my pole.
Oh my
Look
god!
at that.
Woohoo! Caught one!
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's like almost a keeper size. Oh, jeez. Look at that.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
What the? Oh, yeah.
oh.
Oh.
Right there. Yeah, literally some of these lobster tail with these butter.